Good morning to everyone. You are welcome to my seventh day class of English 2 of, let's say, BCA second semester. Like previous classes, today also we'll be talking about different topics of business communication. These days we are in chapter 2. Okay, from chapter 2 we have finished some topics, and today we are going to start a new topic. Now, first, let me show the outline of today's presentation. My presentation today goes like this. First, I'll be asking. I'll try to know, okay, how much you have understood the subject matter that I have delivered. Okay, that I delivered earlier, and then today's new topic will be fax message. Okay, in the second topic, we have fax message and email. Okay, we have to talk about fax and email, but today we'll just cover the topic of fax message. I'll be presenting some examples, templates of fax message. Okay, how to prepare fax message. What is the model of this? We'll talk about this. How to deal with the fax message. We'll be doing some breakout room activities today. So I'll be dividing 30 students may be divided into almost three groups. Okay, and when you are divided into three groups, there you have to discuss and prepare a short paragraph, okay, for reporting later on. Okay, so I request all my dear students to be there with a copy, a pen, and to note down the important things about facts and other things I'll be saying. Okay, because later on you have to report. One of the representatives, okay, from each group has to report later on. Okay, so when I'm delivering the content, you have to be very much careful, okay, very much attentive, and note down the important points. Okay, so but we'll do this, and then okay, if time remains, we'll do some exercises also. So this is the presentation sequence of today's classroom activities. So I hope everything is all right there. Okay, my voice is audible there for all, and students are ready to take today's class, okay, very attentively. Let me move forward now. Yes, first, okay, I'll be using Zoom poll today. So keep your devices ready there. Okay, I'll be presenting some questions here. The questions will be displayed on your screen. Then just you have to tick there the answer you know. Then at last I'll present the result also here. Okay, out of those questions, how many said correctly or who said what? The result will be presented on the screen immediately. Are you ready for this? Hello, students. Are you ready for this? May I ask some questions? May I display some questions on the screen? So keep your device ready, okay? So don't use your device for group chat or other activity this time. Otherwise, the questions may not be displayed here. So simply it will take 1 or 2 minutes only. Then I'll start today's topic. Okay. So let me let me launch poll now. Okay, so I think these questions are displayed on your screen. Are these questions displayed on your screen? Do you see the rules of good writing in progress like this? Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So for the first time we are doing this, so some students may be confused, but don't worry, I'll guide you. So here I have given 7 questions. 7 questions. Just you have to say yes or no, or only one option is correct here. So which one is correct? Okay, which one do you think is correct? Just okay, tick there and go down. There are 7 questions. Okay, multiple choice type of questions. Okay, just tick them. Which one is right and submit. Okay, so your time starts now. So first question: do you read English course regularly? So yes, no, sometimes, most of the time. Which one is right? You just give your own answer there. Don't say, just tick there. Did you understand? Students, you understood what I said? Okay, students are doing this. Good. So within 1 minute, you can finish this. Uh, 3 out of 29 students have voted so far. So all this, I expect the answer from all the students, all 29 students. Just tick there and submit your answer. So far, 5 students have voted. Eight students. 10 students. Okay, the number is increasing. Good. $17, $19. So I cannot wait for more than 10 seconds now. 20. 23 students have voted so far. Very few are remaining now. 24. Come on. Complete fast. 25. 26 out of 30. 27. 28. 2 are remaining. I think they could not. 29. 29 students. One joined just a few minutes before. Okay, he may take time. Now, let me. Okay, 30 out of 30. Yes, all students have voted. Now, let me present the result. So, do you see this result on the screen? Is results seen on the screen?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
now, yes. First, I have to end the polling, then. Yes, now let me present the results. Yes, so this is the result. Can you see? The first question was, yes, do you read English course regularly? 38%. 38% said yes. 3 students said no, 10%. So it means some students do not read this course regularly. So improve this, please. Read the course regularly. 38% sometimes, not sometimes, every day, some hours you have to read. 17% only, not so good. Only 17% said that most of the time. So I suggest everyone to read this course regularly, at least some hours. Do you know the rules of good writing? So 93% means 27 students said that they know the rules of good writing. So 3 students still don't know the rules of good writing. So I spent 4 or 5 days to explain this. So I suggest the remaining three students to go through the learning materials uploaded there to Google Classroom. Okay, download those materials and okay, see all those rules with examples. Okay, so can anyone share these 6 rules? Bhuvan, can you remind us of those 6 rules of good writing? Rules of good writing. Can you say now? Or any other can volunteer. The rules of good writing.
Come straight to the point.
Come straight to the point.
Active
Yes.
voice. Use languages.
Use active voice. Okay.
Use modern
Other.
language. Use modern language.
Modern language. Okay. Use modern language.
And use the right tone.
Yes. Write in positive tone, or let's say use right tone. Right tone. Yes.
Express your thoughts
His principle.
instead of impress. Simple sentences works best.
Okay. Okay. Use simple sentences.
Know your target audience.
Good. Yes. Know your target audience. Okay.
Be positive rather than being negative.
Okay. Okay. So these are the sentences for explanation. Anyway, they can also be included. Major rules I am asking, like gender neutral words. Use gender neutral words. That is also a rule of good writing. So those students who don't know these things, get help from the friends. Okay, get help from the friends. And tomorrow I'll be asking these 3 students. Okay, I need 100% results, but my result is only 93%. Okay, for the simple question also. Okay, so I suggest the students to be serious, and to some students might have missed my class also. Okay, कुनैले क्लास मिस गरे नि हुन सक्छ, स्टुडेन्ट को गल्ती नहुन सक्छ, क्लास ढिलो भएर अथवा केही भएर हुन सक्छ, तर अब चाहिँ रिभाइज गर्नु पर्यो. So do you use emails? So 27 students use emails. Okay, not bad. Have you ever sent fax? Okay, so in the past, fax message, fax machines were frequently used, but nowadays, because of new technology, email, internet, website, social media, and other, okay, the use of fax is less. That might be the reason that only 14%, 4 students say they use fax. They have used fax. They have sent message through fax. Which of the following is not the quality of good writing? Okay, which of the following is not the quality of good writing? See the condition. See your own condition. यो स्टुडेन्टहरुको आफ्नै चित्र हो है, तिमीहरुको क्लासको एउटा तस्बिर हो हेर त. ए मध्ये कुन चाहिँ गुड राइटिङ होइन भनेको, गुड राइटिङको फिचर कुन होइन भनेको. ओके, सो jargon is not the quality of good writing. Jargon use गर्न हुँदैन भनेर मैले कम्तिमा 10 पल्ट भनेको थिए होला. त्यो जम्मा कति 10 students said this. भनेको अझै बुझेको रहन्छ स्टुडेन्टले. You have to read more. Clarity होइन भन्न मिल्छ र? Which of the following is not the quality of good writing? Good writing कुन होइन भने?
सर क्ल्यारिटी त हुनै पर्छ गुड राइटिङमा, भएन भने राम्रोसित बुझिन नि त, त्यही भएर.
Okay.
Simplicity, clarity, and
yes, several times I said this thing.
Yes,
but
sir.
Students have ticked this one. Okay, clarity as not the quality of good writing. Okay, question बुझेन उनीहरुले. Which of the following is not the quality of good writing? कुन चाहिँ good writing होइन भनेको. Okay, yes, jargon चाहिँ good writing होइन, अरु चाहिँ हो भन्नु पर्थ्यो.
Yes,
okay?
sir, I am right.
Yes, so the correct answer is jargon here. Okay, only 10 students have said this. All other students have made it incorrect. It means your study is not enough. Your attention is not enough. You have to be more attentive. And next one, business writing should be sender oriented, receiver oriented. So here, see, luckily, what to say? This is a coincidence, you know, coincidence only. Okay, 15 plus 15. 15% student said. I mean, okay, 52% student said. Okay, what they said? 15
Sender.
sender oriented भनेको रहेछ. Okay,
तर यसमा right
receiver
answer
oriented. Receiver oriented. See? Okay, but the answer is it is more
Sender.
receiver oriented. Business communication should be audience oriented. Okay, we have to compose message according to the need, according to the level, according to the expectation of the audience to a great extent. So it is more audience centered. We have to keep ourselves in the shoes of audience. Okay, while communicating, we have to keep ourselves in the shoes of audience. Audience like ध्यान दिनुपर्छ भन्ने हुन्छ. Okay, त्यो भएर सेन्डर कामै छैन भन्ने होइन कि सेन्डरको नि एक्सपेक्टेसन हुन्छ, but more than that, okay, we have to be careful about the, okay, we have to know about the need, let's say level or expectation of the audience. Okay, audience centered communication. So do you know the components of email and fax writing? So this is a new topic, so I think most of the students don't know this. So only 5 students said yes, remaining students said no. Okay, so I just wanted to know whether you are familiar with the new topic or not. Okay, so this is the situation. So this poll, okay, this poll shows that, okay, your preparation, your attention, your dedication to my subject is still not satisfactory. Okay, except few students, many students, okay, have to pay more attention to my subject. I hope you will do this. Okay, let me stop this sharing. Okay, so now let's start today's topic. So we have 29 students here. Earlier there were 30. I think one student has left. Today we'll start the new topic. Okay, today's topic is fax message. So this is the new topic. So most of the students are have at least heard about fax and fax message. In the past, okay, before internet, email, these technologies, okay, yes, were used. Before the use of these technologies, fax message was widely used. Okay, even nowadays, okay, in business context and in other for official purpose, okay, fax messages are used. The frequency is less, but they are still used. Okay, so first we have to know the meaning of fax. Okay, what is fax? We have to know this. Simply of fax, which is also called facsimile. Facsimile. Okay, the another word, another name of fax is, okay, facsimile. A fax, the short for facsimile, and sometimes called telecopying. Okay, another word for fax is telecopying. So it is the telephonic transmission of scanned in printed material. Okay, scanned document, okay, or images, or let's say printed materials, okay, are transferred from one office to another office, one place to another place, okay, via telephone line, telephone, okay, technology is necessary
in this,
here.
fax machine, does call come or not?
Sorry,
We can call or not from this fax machine call?
fax machine, through machine itself we cannot call, but there is the connection of telephone, you know, it is connected to telephone line.
It is attached, sir. Attached. So
Yes, it is attached with telephone line. So through that we can call on particular telephone number where we send the message. Okay, so just I have study, you listen. Okay, you listen only. Later on you may ask the question. A fax or a facsimile, and sometimes called telecopying, is the telephonic transmission of scanned in printed material that may be in the form of text or images, usually to a telephone number associated with a printer or other output devices. Okay, the fax device, okay, is connected with, let's say, a telephone line, okay, and other, okay, output devices, okay, like printer, and then okay, message is scanned through this machine and it is transmitted to another place, another number. Okay, yes, so we can transmit, we can send, okay, a text as well as images with the help of this system, with the help of this technology, or with the help of this device. The original document is scanned with a fax machine, which treats the contents, that may be text or images, as a simple fixed graphic image. So content, or let's say that material, is transferred in the form of graphic image, converting it into a bitmap. Bitmap means a type, it is a type of image file format. So it converts the content into email file format and transmits to another location, another distant location. In this digital form, the information is transmitted as electronic signals through the telephone system. Telephone system is essential for this. The receiving message, receiving fax message, reconverts the coded image and prints a paper copy of the document. So where we send, in that place also, okay, there is fax machine. The content is printed out there, printed out, okay, in the next place. So this is a short introduction to fax. Okay, a fax machine is not so much expensive. I told you earlier that in the past, okay, before people started using the other technologies, modern technologies widely, okay, this technology was, okay, used, okay, in most of the offices, and it was widely used for business purpose, for the transmission of business document, images, okay, files, and so on. Okay, so fax transmits and receives any kind of message that may be handwritten, printed, word processed, maps, messages, diagrams, photographs, and so on. So all these are scanned in and transmitted to another location, another place. It takes only seconds to transmit a fax message, depending on the length of the document. If the document is very long, it may take some more time, but okay, comparatively, the time duration is very short. Okay, sending messages by fax is a popular choice today due to its versatility and speed. Fax is often used between divisions or branches of the same company instead of telephone or memos. So within the branches of the same company also it may be transmitted. So business letters are frequently either sent by fax or replaced by fax message. Okay, so this book was printed, okay, let's say a little earlier, so that's why, okay, it says that it is widely used. Okay, yes, now also it is used, but okay, frequency is a bit less. So most company use a special fax letterhead for fax message. Okay, that there is a special format of, let's say, writing fax message. The fax headed paper is often used with just a brief covering note explaining an accompanying document. There is cover sheet of fax message, and in the cover sheet we mention, okay, from to, okay, number of pages, attached document, what type of message is this. So a cover page is there first, and along with cover page, what are other documents included, we mention. Okay, so now we watch a short video of 3 minutes, okay, to be more clear about fax message. You are the students of, okay, BCA, so you have to know the software system, hardware system, and how this machine functions. Okay, how this machine functions. So now I want to stop this share here, and directly I want to take to the YouTube link. So let's watch, okay, a video first. Okay, let me share that YouTube link first. Okay, and then we'll be watching. After that, I'll come back to this one. So Bhuvan Vista has just joined. So far we have 31 students. It's not bad. Okay, so what is this? Here is. So let me make full screen. So all of you keep your audio system ready. I'm going to play this, and I have to share the computer sound. So are you ready there? So let's see. Let's watch this
Fax
on fax machine. So I want to play. Yes.
Fax.
Is the sound audible there? Now this time I have paused, but earlier.
Yes, sir.
Audible, yes. Now let me start. Let Let me play this again.
Fax is also known as facsimile. It is the transmission of a document or picture from one place to another place via telephone line. The facsimile or fax machine was first invented in 1842 by a Scottish electrical engineer named Alexander Bain. In a fax machine, there is a sensor which scans each line on the document, which is illuminated by a fluorescent lamp. Shown here is a scanned line. Each scanned line is divided into a number of equal short segments or elements called pixels. This group of parallel lines are transmitted through the phone line. At the receiving end, there is a mechanism to mark the paper with black dots. Each pixel is converted into an electrical current which is sent to the receiver. The receiving fax puts the picture elements together as it receives them until a copy of the original is made. Let's understand the functions of various parts of a fax machine with the help of a block diagram. The optical scanner scans the document to be faxed. The photoelectric transducer or sensor measures the amount of light reflected from each pixel and converts the light reflected from each pixel into a DC electrical signal. This signal is then modulated onto an AC carrier electronically. In case of digital transmission, data is encoded before modulation. The modulated signal is transmitted over a telephone channel. The fax receiver performs the reverse process of the transmitter. The received modulated signal is used to control the light intensity of a finely focused spot of light. The spot scans a photosensitive paper. The rate of scanning and phasing of each traversal of the page is kept in exact phase with the corresponding scan in the transmitter. Thus, an accurate photocopy of the original document is produced. Click on the optical scanner to know more. The scanning is done in two ways. In some systems, the document is laid flat and the spot travels across the document. This type of scanning is known as flat bed scanning. In other systems, which are most commonly used in fax machines, the document is wrapped around the surface of a drum, which is then revolved, causing the paper to pass the spot of light. This type of scanning is called cylindrical scanning.
Okay. So this is a short video. So welcome back to my slides. So we watch this video. So to be more clear, you can watch in your free time. You can go to this link and yes, I don't know the technical aspects, the functions and other names, like other processes. Just I wanted to show you what fax is and how it functions. So regarding other technical details, you ask your respective computer teacher, okay, subject teacher. So I'm an English teacher, so I don't know this hardware and software system. Just I wanted to trigger your mind, okay, about the functioning of this fax machine. Now let's move ahead. Okay, so earlier I told you that okay, when I'm presenting, we have to be very much attentive. So after some slides, okay, you will have to talk in group. So I'll separate this classroom into 3 or 4 groups, okay, and then in separate groups you have to talk about the use of fax machine. Okay, so what does fax machine consist of, and how to deal with the fax message. Okay, what does a fax, business fax consist of, and how to deal with some issues in while using fax. So I hope you are being very much attentive. Later on you have to present. After 10-15 minutes you may have to present. So now next topic is what business fax consists of. Okay, what are the things found in business fax message? So there must be a cover sheet, cover page of fax machine. I mean, sorry, fax message, not fax machine. We'll not talk about machine now. We'll talk about the message now. Okay, message को बारेमा कुरा गर्छौं अब. मसिन होइन, अब message को बारेमा कुरा गर्छौं. मसिन को बारेमा मैले केही भने, अब message को बारेमा कुरा गर्छौं. हाम्रो फोकस भनेको message हो. हाम्रो business communication हो नि त. So message. So there must be a cover sheet. कस्तो हुन्छ म अहिले पछि देखाउँछु. A letter or attached document, त्यो सँगै यो document attached भएको छ भनेर लेख्नु पर्छ. Okay, a letter or attached document. The fax form should state the number of pages being sent. So how many pages are being sent here with this fax message? Okay, we have to mention. किनभने त्यो पाउने मान्छेले कतिवटा पेज, कुनै पेज छुट्छ कि के छ भन्ने जान्दछ त्यो हेरेर. So for the sake of clarity, it is advisable to use the standard business letter. राम्रो पेपर क्वालिटी राम्रो भयो भने उतापट्टि कपी गरेर आएको चाहिँ क्वालिटी पनि, okay, it will be good. So for the sake of clarity, it is advisable to use a standard business letter format as the attached. Use standard size stationery for attachment. Standard size paper ko size haru standard hunu paryo. Okay, standard size stationery. Okay. Yes. Let's see some templates of fax message. Just templates only. Templates. I think the content may be very small on the screen of your mobile phone. So I want to make it full screen or zoom it and say this. So, okay, at the top it may be written facsimile message भनेर लेखेको हुन सक्छ. कुनैमा चाहिँ कम्पनीको यहाँ चाहिँ लोगो हुन्छ, कम्पनीको लेटर हेड अलरेडी प्रिन्टेड हुन्छ. Okay, so to कसलाई पठाएको? Yes, from where? What is the subject? Copy, how many copies? Okay, अब यहाँ ड्यास दिएको छ. Fax. Okay, fax number होला यो. Date and pages. So what type of fax is this? Urgent, just for review. Please comment. Okay, so which one? Okay, please recycle भन्ने पनि भनेको छ. Okay, यसपछि यसलाई चाहिँ हटाइदिनुस् भन्ने मेसेज पनि दिन सकिन्छ. And one comment box is there. Comment box. Okay, it's a comment box. त्यहाँ केही मेसेज लेख्नु पर्छ. Okay, so further to our telephone conversation, I would like the attached advertisement to be placed in secretarial vacancies on 29 अगस्त. अब यो चाहिँ कभर पेज भयो फ्याक्स को. यस पछाडी चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ डकुमेन्ट अट्याच गरे होला. त्यो त्यसको बारेमा यो फ्याक्समा के छ त भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो. So this person has written, okay, I would like the attached advertisement to be placed in secretarial vacancies on 29 August. Okay, यहाँ अट्याच यो डकुमेन्ट चाहिँ यो उमा चाहिँ राख्दिनु होला भनेर चाहिँ रिक्वेस्ट गर्यो, मेसेज पठायो. This is one example. So this is a template of fax message. Just see here the template of fax message. Okay, we have here fax message, then recipient. Okay, a recipient code to fax number. What is fax number? Sender code. Okay, sender भनेको from चले पठायो. From, okay, phone number, total pages, date. You can mention the simple type of format. Okay, in exam you may be asked to develop a format of a fax message. Okay, एउटा टेम्प्लेटमा एउटा सिम्पल मेसेज लेख भन्छ. मेसेज त त्यही बिजनेस लेटरको जस्तै लेख्ने हो, शॉर्ट एन्ड स्वीट मेसेज. ओके, शॉर्ट फ्यू लाइन्स और स्मल प्याराग्राफ, धेरै लामो लेखिदैन, एक प्याराग्राफ नि पर्दैन. ओके, सम सेन्टेन्सेस, ओके भनेर लेख्ने, बिजनेस ल्याङ्ग्वेजकै भाषामा लेख्ने हो. Or this format can be used. Okay, this is another format or template. Fax, company's name, company को नाम लेख्न सक्छ. To, okay, कसलाई पठाएको हो, नेम हुनु पर्यो, नम्बर हुनु पर्यो, डेट हुनु पर्यो. फ्रम, कसले पठाएको, नम्बर अफ पेजेस, कति पेज छ यसमा, एन्ड सब्जेक्ट के को बारेको फ्याक्स हो. ओके, यस, अर्जेन्ट हो भने चाहिँ यहाँ टिक लगाउन सकिन्छ. ओके, एन्ड मेसेज, यु क्यान राइट द मेसेज. यस, Okay, I have attached along with this message. I have attached. Okay, sample advertisement a file के हुन्छ अब. Okay, त्यो लेख्न सक्छ यहाँ है. ओके, कुनै कुनै अर्जेन्ट पनि हुन्छ. अर्जेन्ट छ भने यसरी रेडमा लेख्ने पनि चलन हुन्छ कतिपय ठाउँमा. ओके, अर्जेन्ट हो भने त्यसको टेम्प्लेटै रेड भएर मान्छेले चाहिँ यो यसको महत्त्व बुझ्न सक्छ. ओके, यस, कम्पनी नेम, फोन, लाइक दिस, टु, फ्रम, यसरी चाहिँ त्यही हुन्छ. टु सम्बन्धी अनि फ्रम सम्बन्धी. सो टु, फ्रम. ओके, डिटेल्स related to a receiver, details related to sender. Okay, and you mention the message here. Okay, message. Different samples. कुनै confidential हुन्छ. Okay, confidential facts पनि हुन्छ. Okay, confidential भनेको अति गोप्य. Okay, secret भनेको. What is the meaning of confidential? Top secret. Secret भनेको that cannot be disclosed, that cannot be made public. यो अति गोप्य भनेको धेरै गोप्य हो, यो अरूलाई नभन्नु होला, नदेखाउनु होला भन्न खोजेको. त्यो भने अब फ्याक्स पठाएको ठाउँको मान्छेले पनि अलिकति केयरफुल भएर त्यसलाई चाहिँ very carefully the message should be printed out and then given to the related respective person. Okay, अरु कुरा एउटै हुन्छ, but only the difference is, okay, अरु from say to भनेको एउटै भयो. Okay, तल चाहिँ कतै अथवा माथि you can write confidential. Okay, confidential means too much secret, too much secret, too much private. Okay, अति गोप्य भनेको अति गोप्य. अर्जेन्ट लेख्यो भने अति जरुरी भयो. Okay, yes, अर्जेन्ट लेख्यो भने जरुरी पत्र भन्ने भयो, जरुरी फ्याक्स भयो. Okay, confidential भनेको अति गोप्य भयो, यो अलि सेन्सिटिभ हुन्छ. Okay, if you send sensitive information, okay, so you may use this type of you may write confidential somewhere. And here are some examples. Okay, examples of fax message you can see here. Okay, letter head हुनु पर्यो company को. Okay, normally we write the fax message, okay, in the letter pad or in the letterhead, or in the page having letterhead of our company. माथि चाहिँ company को name, logo, phone number भएको letterhead हुन्छ नि, letter pad भन्छ नि हाम्रो नेपालमा. letter pad हुनु पर्यो. तल चाहिँ यस्तो फर्मेट पहिले प्रिन्ट आउट गरेर राखे पनि हुन्छ टेम्प्लेट बनाएर. ओके, फ्याक्स मेसेज, यस, इन्क्लुड द मेन हेडिङ. मेन हेडिङ भनेको यसको फ्याक्स मेसेज. ओके, देन कम्पनी, फ्याक्स नम्बर, फ्रम, रेफरेन्स नम्बर, कुन डेटमा पठाएको, कति पेज छ यहाँ. ओके, हाउ मेनी पेजेस आर हियर. These headings are important so that all the essential details can be inserted alongside. Okay, yes, it is important to state the number of pages. Okay, number of pages, because miss nahoस् भनेर चाहिँ we have to mention the number of pages. Okay, a salutation may be included. Dear sir, dear ma'am भनेर लेख्न पनि सकिन्छ, but that is optional. Facts मा चाहिँ dear sir, dear ma'am भनेर लेख्नै पर्छ भन्ने छैन. Okay, त्यो भएर यसलाई optional भन्यो. Okay, the heading should state the main topic of the fax message. Okay, heading, यो main heading भनेको चाहिँ fax message भयो. Okay, but heading भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो के बारेमा, what is our fax about. Okay, that one. Like the heading of this fax is what? Visit to Dubai. Yes, thank you for calling this morning regarding my trip to Singapore next month. So I am grateful to you for offering to meet me at the airport and drive me to my hotel. So I'll be arriving on flight, this one on Monday, 29 August at 12:30 hours. So accommodation has been arranged, okay, for me at the Dubai hotel. So I will be traveling up to Dubai on Sunday, 2nd September, on this flight, which departs from Dubai Airport Terminal at 3. So, okay, this is the information to the receiver about the sender's visit to Dubai. Dubai ma aउँदैछु, यो hotel को arrangement, यो flight को बारेमा चाहिँ information दियो. And at last, I look forward to meeting you soon, or I look forward to hearing. This is complimentary clause. Complimentary clause मा चाहिँ, okay, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, भने चाहिँ लेख्न सकिन्छ. Okay, this is body paragraph. Okay, this part is body part. Okay, it contains the main information, core information of our message. Like comment section भने हुन्छ, comment section, message section हो यो, message section. Another example which is given in your own book. this is taken from your own book. Okay, आफ्नै बुकबाट निकालेको यो. So use letter headed paper. Okay, अब इक्जाममा सोधिहाल्यो भने एउटा स्याम्पल बनाउने, एउटा चाहिँ काल्पनिक कम्पनीको नाम. Okay, XYZ company, XYZ enterprise, ABC enterprises, Mannagar Kanchanpur. Okay, telephone number, fax number, mobile number. Okay, you make one hypothetical, okay, sample. Then write the main heading, insert main heading fax message, that is fax message itself. Then write the detail of the sender and the receiver, to company, fax number, from, reference, date, number of pages. 2 pages are included here. So remember to include the number of pages being sent. Salutation may be included before the heading. Okay, salutation राख्न नि सकिन्छ, salutation को dear sir, dear ma'am राख्न नि सकिन्छ, तर that is not compulsory. Okay, तर यहाँ चाहिँ राखेन सिधै visit to Singapore, Malaysia भनेर लेख्यो. Okay, so a salutation may be kept, but that is not compulsory. Visit to this is the heading of your message. What is your message about? Okay, this one. Sophia Lee. Now this is body paragraph and body part of your message. Write short and sweet. Write short and sweet. Okay, using modern business language. Okay. So Sophia Lee, director of Asia Training Enterprises, has invited me to chair the 10th annual Malaysian Secretaries Conference at Mandarin International Hotel in Kuala Lumpur on this date. So I am therefore rearranging the schedule for my forthcoming trip to Singapore. It goes like this. अब यो यही घुम्नु पर्दैन, के मेसेज पठाउन चाहेको हामी जुन बिजनेस लेटरमा लेख्छौं त्यसलाई सर्टकटमा लेख्ने. So structure the body exactly as you do in business letter. So body paragraph is like a business letter. Email message मा लेख्ने जस्तो, body paragraph मा लेख्ने जस्तै के रे business letter मा लेख्ने जस्तै हो. Okay, a complimentary clause is not necessary. अब हाम्रो बुकमा चाहिँ okay complimentary clause नलेखे नि हुन्छ भनेर सिकाएको छ. अब यो चाहिँ बुक अनुसार चाहिँ फरक छ, तर अगाडिको एक्जाम्पलमा चाहिँ a complimentary clause is not necessary भन्यो, ठिकै हो. ओके, तर चाहिँ अब ओके आवश्यक भएन. ओके, it is not necessary. लेख्दा नि हुन्छ नलेख्दा नि हुन्छ, दुईटा कुराहरु चाहिँ it is not necessary. ओके, सो एउटा चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट लाइन sorry यो salutation and complimentary clause are very optional here, optional only. Okay, they are not compulsory. Okay, they are not necessary. नलेख्दा हुन्छ, आवश्यक छैन. लेखे भने मार्क्स घट्ने भन्ने हुँदैन कि. Okay, so better not to write. Okay, so I presented some samples here, and now okay, what are the things to be dealt with, okay, while preparing a fax message. Okay, so how to deal with the fax message, let's know about this. Here are some points. So use fax to send a printed copy of any document, especially diagram and illustrations. Okay, so if you want to send the printed copy of document, especially diagram and illustration, you can use fax machine. यो चाहिँ diagram illustration पठाउनलाई better हुन्छ किनकि यसले scanned in document पठाउँछ नि त. So prepare the message on the company's standard fax template. So it is better to use to use company's own template of fax. Company को माथि letter head भएको अनि from to त्यो box भएको त्यसैमा पठाउँदा राम्रो. Okay, it is better to okay use company's own template of fax machine. Make up a fax letterhead if necessary. आवश्यक भयो भने माथि चाहिँ letterhead राख्न सकिन्छ. Okay, including headings like to, from, date, fax number, number of pages, copy to, date, etc. So these things should be included there. Do not use a salutation or complimentary clause on fax message. So it is not necessary to use salutation. Salutation नराख्दा हुन्छ. Salutation भनेको dear sir, dear ma'am भन्ने, अनि complimentary clause भनेको चाहिँ I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, they are not obligatory. Okay, they are not obligatory. So use the same techniques when writing a fax message as you would a business letter. So in what a pattern you compose the body paragraph, a body content of your business letter. So use the same here. I mean, use the same technique here. So use the same techniques when writing a fax message as you would do in a business letter. So remember numbers and or bullets if this would help your display. So धेरै प्याराग्राफमा लेख्दु भन्दा point मा लेख्दा चाहिँ बेटर हुने छ भने okay, it is better to use numbers or bullets, or in bullet form you can write. So sign the fax in the usual way. signature is necessary. Send a cover fax with an accompanying document. Okay, अहिले मैले प्रेजेन्ट गरेको cover fax हो. Okay, त्यसपछि हामीले के document राखेका छौं त? Okay, you send a cover fax with an accompanying document. Okay, and remember to indicate the number of pages being sent in total. So how many pages have been sent in total? You have to mention that in the cover page, cover sheet of our fax. So key in the fax number correctly means, okay, be sure about the fax number. So fax number must be correct. Keep a copy of important documents. So don't send, okay, everything. Yes, keep the copy of important document. Just go copy. Yes, original को साथ साथै एक दुई कपी चाहिँ हामीले आफ्नो युज को लागि पनि राख्नु पर्छ. Original copy plus त्यसको copy. Okay, so it is better to keep it later on. पछि चाहिँ प्रुफ को लागि चाहिने हुन सक्छ. So once again, so I think you know this. Use a fax to send a printed copy of.
म आरतीलाई राम्ररी चिन्छु अहिले रिकर्डिङ हुँदैछ राम्रो कुरा गर्न लाग्छ.
Now we'll do an activity. Today is the first day, so you may be confused, okay, but I'll try to facilitate you. So now I will be using the breakout room. So like in your real classroom, here also we can divide the students into different groups. I'll be giving one small task. So among you, you have to discuss and prepare a short paragraph that you have to report later on. So I may give only 5 minutes time, okay, for that. So let's do that now. So let me go to that section first. Okay. Oh, here it is not. I think I have to stop this. So altogether we have 26 students here. Better to divide in, okay, 4 groups. 1, 2, 3. So you'll be divided into 4 groups, okay. Then what you have to do is, here is a task for breakout activity. Yes, so you have to discuss on this task, on this question. So do you see this question? Discuss in a group what a business fax consists of. What things should be included in a business fax, and the things to be considered while preparing fax machine. So around 5 points you collect. So what are the components of fax machine? I mean fax message, and okay, what are the things to be considered while delivering or while preparing a fax message? Just earlier we discussed this. Okay, so I have divided the students into different groups. We have breakout room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So names are also here. Okay, like in the now from breakout room 1. Okay, so Manish Ter I have to report later on. From breakout 2 room, Bhuvan Pandey will report. From 3, Akanksha Katioda will report. From 4, okay, Arati Dhami will report, like this. So are you all ready? Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
your
sir.
class will be divided. Your class will
Yes,
be
sir.
divided and you will be sent to different rooms. Okay, in those rooms you talk about that question. Okay,
Sir,
the
group members.
group members you'll know later on. Okay, when you join, automatically your students will join, your friends will join. So I'm opening the rooms now. Now from one room you are divided, from one group you are divided into, okay, 4 groups. So now I have clicked the button. Okay, go to your you'll be sent to those rooms automatically.
Okay, sir.
क्लास त बीच-बीचमा छ। यहाँ म अहिले बोलिरहेको छु के अरूले सुनिरहेछन्। बन्द गरौँ नि त्यो।
नम्बरको एन्सर सेकेन्डको म भन्छु। पूजा पूजा
पूजा पूजा गर्ने गई।
ए प्लिज प्लिज
भन न 1 नम्बरको एन्सर भन न सेकेन्डको म भन्छु।
सर point wise भन्दा हुन्छ नि।
Okay, okay, okay. So try to communicate in English, okay? It is being recorded. Yes, please.
भन न तिमी।
Other students, please mute yourself. Mute your mic.
के सर?
Yes.
पूजा भन।
A letter or attachment documents. The business facts consist of the cover sheet, a letter or attachment documents. The fax form should state the numbers of pages being sent. For the sake of clarity, it's use standard size stationery of attachments.
Say clearly, please. Now next, Arati.
Yes sir.
Okay, say loudly and clearly.
Okay sir. So the things
Okay.
to be considered while preparing fax messages be like, first of all we have to create a cover page for our transmissions. Like most companies have their own standard page like their company logo. So for that to get for the document to be delivered to the right person, we have to include the sender's contact number. Likewise,
Finished?
no sir.
Okay. Okay, it's all right.
If we place, we have to share that the oriented document according to instructions that are usually found on the machines.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, Manish, say briefly, please.
Sir, my answer is still I'm in searching of answer, sir.
Sourcing answer.
Sir,
Any other?
excuse me, sir. Then after doing that, we have to press start or send button to begin the transmission.
Okay.
The fax machine scans the documents and the destination number and transmit the documents. When finished, it prints a transmission status page with either and OK. If the later transmission is failed, then later cases repeat the process.
Okay, okay, good attempt. So I want to suggest one thing, okay? While speaking, while let's say presenting, you have to speak very clearly.
Yes,
So
and not use the breaks.
the audience should not feel that, okay, your answer, they shouldn't be confused, okay? Clarity is necessary. So anyway, good attempt.
Thank
So
you, sir.
all these things will be the part of your internal evaluation. Okay, these activities will be the part of your internal evaluation. So how much active you are, how much sincere you are, how much disciplined you are, okay, in these activities. So they will be counted. They will be counted, and accordingly we'll do the evaluation. So I request all the students to pay attention while the teacher is delivering the class, and so don't take it as a matter of fun, okay?
Okay,
Like
sir.
Manish or somebody was saying, okay, still doing. So I can understand that. So that kind of activity will be recorded. So from the next time, so I expect seriousness from every student, and within short time, even if you prepare 2 sentences, 3 sentences, no matter, but you have to prepare and you have to present. So I hope you understood the concept very clearly, and tomorrow we'll be forwarding the topic.
Sir.
Sir, I got it little bit, sir. Can I explain right now?
Okay, in a short time, okay, within 1 minute, please complete it.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
The fax machines consist of 3 parts: a scanner, a printer, a fax modem, phone line. When sending a fax, the scanner and fax modem work together. The scanner by capturing the document and turning it into a digital signal, and the fax modem by sending the signal over the phone line. While receiving a fax, the printer and the fax modem work together. The fax modem by collecting the digital signal that arrives over the phone line, and the printer by turning that digital information into a printed pieces of paper. The benefit of this approach is that fax technology can work with some printing technologies or a combination of machines. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good attempt, but the question demands other answer. Anyway, good attempt. Your attempt was good. I think we have to stop the class now. Your next teacher is waiting for the class. See you next week on Tuesday. So for some days there will be gap of my class. So by that time you will be up to date with all the things taught in the class, and will be submitting all the assignments given there. So thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.